Bless up on yourself, people. I'm busy from morning, guys. I'm busy from morning, up on the road, up and down. Sorry for the background noise, guys. We're in the car right about now. I talk to no people. Me say, guys, Kaka I say she now come out and apologize to nobody at top on social media. She say her people come trouble her first. She now come out and apologize to no boy and to no girl. I mean, I say, people, Kaka I take the church thing to a different level right now. Kaka I did the church every night and I say, yo, a man come one time alone. I mean, I say, yo, if you say you're a top girl, you're a big boss and thing, and your man love it like that. Even though you're supposed to come to church almost every night and thing, if you want to close to you, you see you give man break and thing. And right now, to me, the man not getting a break. Because church shouldn't be a problem regarding the man who wants to stay close to you. So I don't know where you're depend and thing. You see me? I say, yo, she want to be in Hollywood. I mean, I say, really? She want to be in Hollywood. She want to go in one of Tyler Perry movie there. I say, Jesus, peace. Because she say, I be a fat people. Them people that deal with me. I say, no, man. My God, I know she fat. My God, I know she fat. But I say, picture these people. When you really think, say, MC could have really go up an audition in a Hollywood to go up on Tyler Perry play. Our movie? No, sir. I joked in this. I some clown thing this, really? Really? No, man, MC, you know that criteria there, you know fit the description there. You have to go change your character and be a different person. Cause them things don't fit you. Because I don't know where you're gonna church. I don't know where you're gonna church for. Because I know myself say when things not going good for you, you come out and you cuss somebody. You see me? You come out and cuss somebody and go back to your regular dirty bad word style and thing. That is just you. You can't tame. You're like a wild hog. You can't tame you. No matter what them give, you still just wild same way. Up and down over the place and thing. So you can't fool nobody. And right about now, you think about Hollywood and thing. Because them things don't fit you. You need to stay in your big league. You see me? You're big in being big like a jackfruit. That's how you need to stay. Or a dumping how you want to call yourself. And that fit you. Nobody think about the Hollywood thing and the Tyler Perry thing. It don't fit you. You clown out yourself. You look like a big clown on social media. No. Too much. Too much of you know, Kaka. You don't make no sense and thing. No. Social media and a clown thing. Me I wonder up to this day, why you go to church for? Why you go to church for? For do what? If you go get close to the pastor and the deacon, or if you go over upon somebody, what your purpose for going to church? What is your purpose? People like only can't change, you know. People like only can't change because on heart dirty, on a bad mind. So now always be that stagnant person there, and that person there will always want sitting. See me? Because when they are foreign, when you put yourself together, when you work, when you way out of situation and make your life better. When they are America 40 years now with nothing for sure. And then no one come be this top line star in this jokifying thing. You see me? If you look at MC is a big joker, big meal deal, big clown deal. Come in and know what your man have to do with you. See me? Your man, what you claim say you're there with that thing. Why you give the man a break? You need to give the man a break. You can't just say no sex until a certain time if you feel that way there. And that is if him up to that. See me? But you know come on social media fool people, you can't fool nobody. Just tell us the man gone. Tell us the man run gone, the man get fed up of you. Yeah. Because you talk about say you depend on the road, the man a call to you all over and I whisper to him and say, no sir, I would them sip on you what them want. I would them sip on you what them want, MC. Would the man sip on you what them want? Really and true. I wonder if I hear I can't feed them I can't think. What man sip on you what them want? Because some of them man they on social media, them just look upon you, know, and I say, Jesus, we look upon her. You know, say a baby shot down at the bottom though. Yeah. Because you're not a big bumper first of all. And you're big and fat like a cow. So I don't see what man I look upon. Man I waste time upon you right about now. When man see you, them see just a one night stand. Forget a little piece and that's it. There's nothing more to that. You see me? Because you're not popular. You probably pop up as YouTube and thing or Facebook, but you not pop in a real life. You know, girl, you have 50 a day old now, you be like you are 20 a day old. You need to go sit down and cut yourself right now and go in a retirement home right now. Because it don't make no sense, yo. You only make yourself clown out from day to day. You see me, I mean, I say to myself, say, for a big woman like you, where she have been there for your grandparents right now, you're there on social media, make a fool yourself. And I say, anybody pay there, come out, come cuss them out. Anybody that pay there, come out, come cuss them out. But you know, cuss them bad, but you come cuss them out. For what you go to church for? Because you don't see, you can cuss them out back in. What you go to church for then? What the main purpose of going to church? Now, for change your ways, them. So if you know what I say, you come out, come cuss the people, man thing. You know, not change then. You know, not change. You tell we say, you got to cuss out the people, them in a business. So that make no sense at all. You see me? And you come make you willing to cuss them out. Just to get some views and likes and shares. If you decide say, yo, you're in the church and you're going to the church forward, you shouldn't be anybody wants to about you on social media. But we all know say cussing people content give you money, views. So we can't see where you come off for. We can't see where you come off for a thing in which if you don't cuss the body or you do certain things, you not get the amount of views where you want. See me? Because when you come out and cuss Gracie, or cuss somebody else, I have cuss me, I cuss mix up other stuff, you're bound to get views. Some of them see, me swear upon. But people like Uno man, where I go church and thing, man, you need to just stop go church, yo, and go find something else and do. You see me? Because guess what, man? Everybody can change, you know. But the amount of thing where you do on social media, you come good and you come back bad again. So the people them wonder to themselves if you use the next trending drama. See me? Yeah, we just say you do things and they change. Your head does shift. Sometimes you could have a mentor probably in an attack. Yeah? You're bound to have a mentor probably in an attack. Real mad man. Today, you behave so, and then tomorrow, different somebody. You can't phone about the people them know what go on. The people them know what is going on. The people them know say use a little. I don't even know what to say. Because your man have nothing to do with you and your church. See me? He not have nothing to do with your church. You tell me say no, you got me your church one thing, your man have to go one side. So when you married him and done then? When you married him and done then and then when you married him and done now, you say alright, marriage before after sex. See me? Because that the people them want to know, the people don't want to know, the people don't want to know. The people them want to know where they pan, the people them want to know say for some joking in the pan or you use the man as something different. Or you get what you want out of the man now, say you want go in a church now. Yeah, that the people them want to know. You need to come forward and talk about it. The people them want to know. So you know, with your DB self and your long mouth, you love chat off and thing, come try for people. Nobody ain't an idiot. Nobody ain't no idiot. You see me? I not who ever fool you. I know who ever fool you, but you need to go quote yourself, man. You need to quote yourself because you feel so you can come on social media with the whole church thing and phone nobody. And no fun I go church and thing and other things and the quiet. Yeah. No fun I go church and use church as a mean of doing the wrongs. Yeah. No fun I go church and do with pastor and deacon and all kind of people. And I go to husband born and no man born and thing and then feel like and then go out kind of innocent. Yeah. So me I say guys, based upon yourself here, man, we don't need caca eye, man. We finish with caca eye right about now. Caca eye need to go sit down here, man, and start make a call on ourselves right about now on social media. Because the people them know what go on. The people them ain't no idiot, caca eye. The people them smart and them have sense. And you can't fool nobody right about now. You cannot fool nobody right about now with your little fool self. You see me? So guys, bless upon yourself as usual, and people. Bless upon yourself as usual. Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks everyone who liked the video. Thanks everyone who shared the video and leave their thought in the comment section, guys. It's a good thing. You see me? Give God thanks. Bless upon yourself. Happiness. One love. Stay tuned. Like and share people. And just enjoy the rest of the night, guys. You see me? We are going to leave Kaka Eye. So Kaka Eye can go and do fear thing and go and go fear church. You see me? Because and everybody go church mean God. Yeah? Remember I'm telling that. So, we just rock and come in next time. Talk to you next time. You see me I say? Yeah man, and bless upon yourself. In the name of Jesus Christ. So guys, I'm out. Stay tuned. We chat soon.